We got a treat for you tonight. My brother Kevin sent us down some moose meat, so tonight we prepared it for you guys to show you. Cooked it for like 2 hours, cleaned it really nicely, skinned it, chopped it up into pieces. It's a lot better when it's cold, so we waited for it to cool off. Me and my daughter Tasha are here to give you a review on how it actually tastes, because it's a lot different from probably any other meat you've tried. We like it with salt. Salt is great. Makes the flavors come out a little bit more. As you can see, there's a lot of cartilage, some meat, like really tender meat. It's like crunchy, really flavorful. The meat is like, I guess it's kind of rich, and there's other like pieces of the moose nose too that, you know, it has different flavors. This part is like it's almost like a fat, but not quite a fat. It's more like maybe
Gristly.
It's more like gristly. It has a lot of flavor in it. Put some salt on that. That part's really good. Okay.
Oops. I like it.
Oh yeah, look at that. That's really good.
You can tell it's really crunchy.
It's almost like a snack, like an appetizer, I guess you would say. Don't really eat it with rice or veggies or anything.
We can pickle it. We can pickle it.
Oh yeah.
We can't finish it all.
And if you'd like, if you can't finish this all, there's a lot of times that we'd pickle it in like vinegar. So fill up a jar with vinegar and throw all these pieces in there and just like throw it in your fridge. It'll last a lot longer. It'll just pickle itself, and yeah, it's a good way to keep it long term. But usually the stuff doesn't last very long.
This looks like a sandwich.
So hopefully you guys enjoyed our review on this.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe. So thank you. See you next time.